Hi, I'm Ann Mooney. I'm a personal chef in Orlando and Winter Park, Florida. I'm here on behalf of ExpertVillage today, and we're in beer can chicken mode. Well, that beer can is, the chicken and its beer can are both cooking away on the grill, so I'm going to show you a really neat side dish that you can make to have with that chicken while the chicken cooks. And what we're going to do is lima beans. And these are lima beans for people who say they hate lima beans. I promise you can make people like them. And your secret weapon is a product that I use all the time that I dearly love. It's a chicken stock base called Better Than Bouillon. This is their organic chicken. And I have lima beans in the pot, and they're boiling away. They were just frozen lima beans. And I'm going to take about a teaspoonful of chicken stock base, and I'm going to stir it in with those limas, and what it's for is for flavor. And it's not flavored directly, it just gets in underneath the flavor of the lima beans. Then we're going to add some Dijon mustard to this concoction here. So we've got lima beans, what amounts to chicken broth at this point. And then we're going to just take this mustard and put about 2 tablespoons of mustard in the limas. Stir that up. And what will happen is the mustard will make the broth around the lima beans thicken a little bit. Maybe put a little bit more in. Once again, it doesn't, just do this to where it tastes good to you. So we'll let that cook for a minute, and then we'll finish it off with some heavy cream, like so. I used about a tablespoon, maybe. You don't need more than that. And you have these beautiful creamed lima beans that taste absolutely wonderful. See all that steam coming off of them? There you go. Creamed lima beans. They're perfect with this chicken.